Hey guys, today we're going to have a look at the Digga Cleaner Bucket Broom. We're going to have a quick squiz at how the broom is set up, how we set that brush 30mm below the cutting edge to avoid some of those really common mistakes operators make when they're setting up their broom, or lack of setting up or maintaining your brush height, which causes belly rub, which then will wear out the bottom of your bucket, causing expensive repairs and make it perform not to its best. So we'll run through that. Brush adjustment is done easily through a adjustable handle. You pull your R clip out, reinstate it. It's a matter of 3 winds this side, 3 winds that side, 2 this side, 2 that side, whatever the adjustment is, and that just brings your brush down evenly. Or you can, if you're on a camber, can adjust it one side more than the other. It's very flexible. It's very fine adjustment, so you're not having to just do big adjustments where you're wearing out lots of brush and you've got too much brush engagement on the ground. So we'll quickly run through that, give it a sweep and see how it performs. To engage the broom, the best way to go is have it in a full crowded back position. You lower your broom down until the back wheels contact the ground. From there, you start to roll forward. When you're getting close, start rotating your broom. As you're rolling forward, you will hear that brush start to engage on the ground with a swooshing sound. Go down. Don't know if it'll come through on the microphone, but so once we're down and we're confident that we're at the right height, we're nice and flat, we haven't over-engaged the front of the bucket, you can use a spotter to make sure that you're right, but if we're confident there, we should be able to start sweeping and not damage the bottom of the bucket or the all front rubbers. We'll give it a go. So while we're driving forward, the brush should be sweeping away from you, pushing the debris to the front of the broom and then up and over into the back of the bucket. Going forward, the brush goes away from you, it's sweeping away. If you're going into reverse position, you have the brush sweeping towards you like a dustpan. Okay, so not that we're going to have a lot of debris in there, but emptying is simple as lifting up as you would do any bucket, tilting forward. Your debris goes to the front and falls out. If you've got a very full bucket, you can run your bristles in reverse the same way as sweeping, and that will eject the stuff out. All the way forward, it swings over, gives a bit of a knock, gets the final bits out of it.